Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, we are going to be learning how to safely download the official ChatGPT app on your mobile device, whether you are using iPhone or Android. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your device and make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now, for iPhone, open up App Store, whereas for Android, open up Google Play Store. In the search bar, type in ChatGPT. Once you search for the app, look for this application from OpenAI and then tap on the Get or the Install button or the arrow icon right underneath the app icon. Now wait for the application to download, which might take several minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once downloaded, tap on Open and this will open up the ChatGPT application on your smartphone. Go ahead and create a new account if you don't have one, or log into your existing OpenAI account, and then you will be able to enjoy ChatGPT just like that. That's how you successfully download the official ChatGPT app on your smartphone. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.